Okay, ladies and gentlemen, finally I've arrived to JCM. It's JCM, eh?
Yeah.
JCM Church. That is Jesus Christ Compassion Ministry. Oh, ministry. So I'm here with a gentleman here, bro. How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
I'm John.
You're John.
Yeah.
I've seen you're carrying some nice things here.
Yeah, I'm selling these ones. Those who are coming to church.
Yes.
I was here
At how much?
for this one.
1,000 shillings.
We are not expensive. Safi. Kitu smart.
Yeah. But mom loves you. Oh, this is for mom to a child.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
And there's this another one here.
This one for encouragement.
And I've never met the difference in the lives we have. Wow.
It's a blessing. And it's someone who have raised you, like your mom.
Okay. And I can see there are several here, a number of them here. Oh. So all of them at 1,000 shillings?
No, they are two different. This one is 1,000, 600, 600, 600, 500, 500. All of them are 500.
500. Are you doing this by yourself?
Yeah.
You are the one who does this?
Yeah, I'm the one.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
So what inspired you to do these things?
Because I love this art.
You love this art?
Yeah.
This is what you love most?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. So where do you get, not really what you love as such, where do you get that inspiration to write this writing, nice writings?
Unajua, nowadays, from Kiambu, watu kutaka kupelekea mtu zawadi, unapeleka vitu za kukula na nini. So mimi nakuja na hii idea, maybe unaweza pelekea mtu kaola hanging, akuwe anaona, akiona hiyo hanging, anakuwa na someone kama hii, kupelekea mtu kama hii, anaona kwa mtu kali kunisaidia. And yeah, he still remembers me.
Okay.
Yeah.
So where are you located?
I'm located bypass. Bypass opposite exit 11.
Which is the name of this bypass?
Bypass.
Bypass.
Eastern bypass.
Eastern bypass.
Yeah.
So is this still Nakuru? No, Kiambu County. Or
Yeah, Kiambu County.
This is Kiambu County.
Yeah.
Eastern bypass.
Yeah, Eastern bypass.
So suppose someone, do you deliver them outside the Kiambu County?
For that, you only deliver at Ruiru.
What?
Within Ruiru.
Oh, within Ruiru.
Yeah.
But if somebody needs it from somewhere far away,
yeah, maybe you can order.
like in Busia, in Mombasa, in Nairobi.
Fika hapo. Tutajua venye tutapanga tuje venye tutafikia.
Okay.
You don't have to come wewe mwenyewe, tunajua venye tutafikia.
Oh. So he's attending to a customer who has just come to ask for the cost of those items right there. So this guy here is doing amazing work, good work. Guys, we can, what else can we do in the love of Theo? Just spread love by supporting this young man here who is doing a very nice and awesome job right here. Bro.
Yeah.
Tulikuwa nasema now, that's when now you can talk and see.
Yeah.
So now, how can people reach you?
You can reach me through social media. For Facebook, John Wanina. Yeah, you can go see what I'm doing. And then unaweza nipigia simu.
Apart from Facebook, social media, Facebook. Are you in TikTok?
Yeah, TikTok. Yeah, Wanina J. Wanina John.
Wanina John.
Yeah.
Somewhere else, any other? Twitter, Instagram?
No.
Okay. Phone number? If somebody needs,
if someone needs, can call 07 96 0796 13 16 17.
Good boy.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, bro.
Yeah.
And may God bless the work you are doing.
Yeah.
So guys, let's support Join Wainaina. He's doing a very, very amazing work here.
And if somebody want to know how to operate a CNC machine,
a
CNC machine, yeah, can find me.
Okay.
Yeah,
you can also do that.
Yeah.
Teach someone.
Yeah, teach someone to operate a CNC machine.
What's a CNC machine? Maybe
CNC machine is a computer numerical control. Is something like a robot that is doing this or this one.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
Okay,
called
fine.
a CNC.
CNC machine.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Uh,
So let's support Wainaina. If you want anything else you can add.
yeah, I do signage.
Sign in.
Yeah, and wood nini, sorry, nini, doors. Kuchora milango, nachora. Yeah.
Oh.
Ile mambo yenye nataka naweza kuja nayo ama tupatie yetu. So I do that.
Good. So
Any woodwork.
any woodwork.
Yeah,
you do.
ama signage. Yeah, I do that.
Sawa sawa.
Yeah.
So guys, in the love of Theo, this channel is called Love of Theo. In the love of Theo, let's just spread, it's a YouTube channel, let's spread love by subscribing, liking, and doing this guy here, support him, call him, give him a call. Hata kama you are not going to buy, just do some consultation here and there, he will just guide you.
Yeah.
You are ready for that?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's doing amazing job at a very affordable prices. So very affordable. 500, 1,000. It's not even 2,000. It's not even 1,500.
Yeah.
Is there one for 1,500?
No.
No. 1,000 and below, and you can negotiate as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hapo sana.
So go on the YouTube channel.
Yeah.
He's saying Apo sana.
Hapo sana.
you can negotiate. Yeah. So go to his YouTube, to his social media pages, and just do the necessary. Follow him. Is a page or
Just a nini.
Friend request him. Ask about what he's doing, and things will go well. He gets a bread of daily bread on his table. He support him. He expands his work as well, so that he may be able to spread everything to the whole world, not even here only in Kenya, but everywhere in the world. Stop being in Ruiru peke yake.
It's just that I'm starting now.
So thank you so much, bro.
Nitatapakaa kila pahali.
Yeah, so go to YouTube, inaitwa Love of Theo.
Sawa,
Go
sawa.
there by today or before Wednesday, the video will be up.
Okay.
Sawa sawa.
Asante
Thanks,
sana.
bro.
Asante.
Haya.